here's the Talk Tech, and yesterday one of the betting platforms made us got some strong 10 odds from the Champions League predictions, okay? And today they have given us 9 solid odds, of which you can also try your hands on. But before I take you through today's odds, if you are new to this channel, make sure you do subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so that anytime I post new video concerning giving out odds, you are going to get it. Like this video, so do not forget to share this video to your friends so as to benefit from this odds. And yesterday their predictions were Madrid and Atalanta, double chance for Madrid. Leverkusen and Inter Milan, double chance for Leverkusen. The Aston Villa match, over 2.5 goals or goal in the match. The Club Brugge match, that is goal, that is both teams to score in the match. They predicted straight win for Paris Saint-Germain, and the rest of the prediction that gave us 10 solid odds, and we got something for our Christmas, okay? And today there are 9 solid and also sure odds is what I'm going to give you. And in their prediction, they tipped Juventus and Manchester City, both teams to score or goal in the full match. The Feyenoord match, over 1.5 goals in the full match. Arsenal Monaco, straight win but 2 up for Arsenal. Benfica match, they tipped Benfica draw no bet. Benfica to draw no bet in the match. Atletico Madrid, they tipped handicap 1 for Slovan but straight win for Atletico Madrid, okay? That is handicap -1 for Atletico Madrid. So these are the 9 solid odds from the app from the Champions League for today, okay? So you can try your luck on these odds and let's know how these odds are going to bless us for today. And as you know, here's the Talk Tech, and if you like watching content like this, make sure you do subscribe to this channel and turn on notification bell so that anytime I drop new odds, you are going to get it. Like this video, so do not forget to share the video to your friends so as to benefit from this video. The time is limited, you can try, and let me know in the comment section your thoughts on these predictions. And as a disclaimer, I disclaim that this is not a financial advice, but I'm also showing you how I make money through staking, and so therefore I am not responsible for any profit or loss through this video. Do your own research. Make sure you do your own research before you invest, and invest in what you can afford to lose. And remember, this video is for educational purpose as well. We hope to see greens for today too. We shall meet again in the next video. Greetings once again.